In this video, we'll show you what to do if your Samsung Galaxy phone is showing the moisture detected error and you can't seem to charge your phone. So to fix this, first head to the settings app. Now scroll all the way down and then tap on apps. Now here you will see this filter and sort icon. Simply tap on it and then turn on this show system apps toggle. Now tap OK. Now tap the search icon and then search for USB. Now you'll see this USB settings option. Simply tap on it. Now here you will need to scroll down and tap on storage. Now tap the clear cache option and then tap the clear data option and then hit delete to confirm. Once you have done that, try charging your phone and see if it works now. If it doesn't, what you can do is tap on the search option and then type in fast charging. Now select the first result that appears. Now here turn off the fast charging option. So turn off all these three toggles and then try to charge your phone one more time. If it still doesn't work, what you need to do is turn off your Samsung Galaxy phone completely. After it's off, you'll need to clean the charging port. You can do this by using a wooden toothpick or something similar. Simply clean the charging port and make sure there's no moisture inside it. If your Samsung phone was recently in contact with the water, what you can do is hold it like this and then shake it downwards so that the water comes out. After that, turn on your Samsung Galaxy phone and it should then charge as usual.